Garden hacks for thrifty gardeners. Call them shortcuts, money savers, or clever tricks, but many thrifty garden management practices or hacks have proved worthwhile for penny-pinching hobby farmers. 1. Germination Station. Pricey seed starting mats are not necessary to warm starting plants. Encourage germination by placing plants on top of a source of heat in the house, such as the top of a refrigerator, or on a table above a heat vent, bearing fire safety in mind, of course. 2. Pinching. It might feel wrong for a second, but splitting the center of the stem, known as pinching the plant, will encourage a new set of leaves to grow and restart the plant on the right path. This little trick saved me from losing several tomato plants that suffered a UV light tumble. 3. Coffee ground mulch. Coffee grounds, in moderate doses, are a healthy source of nutrients for your soil, and are also great at deterring aphids. Simply mulch around your plants with your morning's coffee leftovers. 4. Ant defense. If an ant infestation has plagued your garden, boil citrus peels in water and pour into susceptible areas to deter the colonies. Leftover water from a pot of boiled sweet potatoes also works. 5. Herbal Compost Tea. You can make compost tea from your own compost pile, or from a mixture of herbs and dandelions. Place a mixture of parsley, nettle, comfrey, and dandelions in 5 quarts of water, and allow the mixture to steep in the sun for a few days until the flowers begin breaking down. Strain and pour onto your soil. 6. Cinnamon mushroom control. Although they are signs of healthy soil, wild mushrooms and other forms of fungi can be unsightly annoyances and nutrient hogs in a vegetable garden. Sprinkle cinnamon on the soil as a natural fungicide. 7. Boiling water. Another weed control method is pouring boiling water over weeds, though make sure to keep it away from the roots of your vegetables and herbs. 8. Upcycled seed starting pots. Egg cartons with holes punched in the bottom and clam-shaped plastic containers from the grocery serve as great seed starting containers. As plants grow to larger sizes but are not quite mature enough for the garden, transplant into recycled containers, such as yogurt tubs with holes poked in the bottom. 9. Molasses and Vinegar. Water-based mixtures of molasses and vinegar are also said to kill weeds, though they might not penetrate to the root for optimal elimination. 10. Bargain mulch. Mulching can help keep weeds away, but can be costly to purchase, especially for large garden plots. Coffee grounds, hay, or wood shavings over recycled newspaper provided great alternatives to mulching, and also add to the garden's organic matter. We really hope you find this video helpful, and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.